Setting up accounts allows you to have a special pricing for that specific account, generate and send invoices, as well as run account-specific ride reports. To set up a new account, click Accounts on the left-hand menu. Click the green New Account button on the top right. Here is where you will enter the account information, such as company name, company legal name, account ID. If you do not have an account ID, DashRide will automatically generate a string of letters and numbers for you. You also have the option to add in any internal notes. These are only viewable by your dispatchers and administrators. Under Contact Information, enter the email and phone number of the point of contact for that account. When creating new accounts, DashRide will automatically select the retail service levels that you have already created to be imported into the new account. You do not have to select these. To remove them, simply uncheck the boxes next to each service level. If you do not select any pre-existing service levels, you will have no service levels in the account and will have to add them yourself. Once you have entered the information and decided whether or not to import the retail service levels, click the green Save button. You have successfully created your own account. There are 6 different tabs that you could choose from after creating an account. We will review each. Company. The Company tab has the information that you first entered, such as the company name, legal name, account ID, and contact information. You also have the option to upload a logo for the specific account. Members. The Member tab is where you will list customers that are members of that account. What that means is that any customer that is listed under members will be eligible for the account's special pricing, as well as have the ability to have rides charged to a corporate card or invoice, which we'll cover shortly. There are 2 important notes. A member must first be added in the customer section before being added to an account's member list. And the members are identified by their email address, so make sure the email in the customer's profile matches the email in the member list. To add a member, click the green Add Member button. Enter the phone number, first name, last name, and email address of the member. The email address is required. Once done, click the green Save button. You have the option to download a list of your members, which you can do so by clicking the Download CSV button. You also can upload a list of your members by clicking the Upload CSV button. Pricing. The Pricing tab is where all of your account-specific service levels are. If you imported any retail service levels when you created the account, they will appear here. To add a new service level, click the green New Service Level button. Enter the name of the service level. You also have the option to enter a description. For this example, we will use Corporate Sedan, and the description up to 4 passengers. When done, click the green Create button. You will now be prompted to enter in your pricing. To learn how to input pricing, view our Onboarding Part 1 video on how to create a service level. Billing. Under the Billing tab, you will be able to enter the information of the billing contact. This section is important when creating invoices for a specific account. You will not be able to create an invoice unless you have a billing contact entered. Accounts can also have their own billing preferences. Under Billing Preferences, you'll be able to select the trip settlement methods. These are the only allowable payment methods to close out a trip for the specific account. You could choose from cash, external, invoicing, or credit card. For credit card, you can choose either corporate card on file or personal card. If you select corporate card on file, you will have the option to enter in the corporate credit card information to be saved to that account. Once all information is entered, be sure to click the green Save Contact button. Invoicing. The Invoicing tab allows you to set specific terms and adjustments in regards to that account's invoice setting, such as due after, payment terms description, and total price adjustment. Appearance is where you can add text to be included on the invoice customer notes section, as well as information to appear in the terms and conditions section. Preferences is where you have the option to include rides that are paid in cash, credit card, or externally on the invoice. Once done, be sure to click the green Save Changes button. Reports. The Reports tab lets you run weekly reports or custom reports for the rides that were taken by members of this specific account. Click the Generate button next to a weekly report and you will be emailed your report as well as have it automatically downloaded to your browser. The same goes for if you generate a custom report. And that's how you set up an account.